All units, I got a suspect heading at a high rate speed, heading northbound, black Mustang.
10-4. I think it's from northern now. I'm gonna walk that. I'm gonna be leaving a note.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and while you're at it, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. In today's video, well, we might be doing a little bit of shenanigans. We're gonna go out to Mexico and have some fun, go to our local meetup spot that happens every Friday night. There'll be another one on Sunday, which is pretty cool. Mainly lowriders and stuff, but there's some muscle and some import that shows up there as well. This happens every weekend and it's always a fun time, so I'll probably be out there as well. With that being said, I do need to get some gas. Unfortunately, I'm still on 91. I do need to convert to E85 eventually. That's probably coming real soon, to be honest. So with that being said, let's go to the gas station. I got the car detailed today, so once we get under the gas station lights, I'll definitely do a walk around of the car. My boy definitely got this car looking right. You just click on the screen. Oh, that's him. Alright, so one meet down. Time to get to the next. Police are everywhere. Everybody's bouncing because the cops are coming out.
entertainment, they say. And niggas sneaking and tweaking because I can't stop seeking. This pain is torture, cobra that I'm always conceding.
These niggas stopping their bacon, these niggas are
Second spot, literally just parked and they pulled up. People coming. All right, so it looks like the cops just cleared out of here. I'm the first car here, and it's probably about to get wild here too. So I'll have the camera on hand. Let's just wait a minute.
Burning their tires, things like that. Once we come out, it's zero tolerance. So,
Right.
like, I'm cutting you a huge break. Usually, we would have just, hey man, hand me the keys, okay? You got a nice car, you just got it. I know you don't want to have to pay just as much to get it out for what you paid to get it, okay?
Right. So how about last night? Well, I guess I got pulled over, apparently. Let me pull out this ticket, because I still don't know what the fuck I got pulled over for. It was stupid. I literally downshifted, or the car downshifted. Obviously, I'm driving a 10-speed, but let's see. Apparently, I'm driving a 2018 Camaro that's gray, which is 100% incorrect. So this ticket is therefore dismissed, I believe. My violation is unsafe starting or backing on public highway. One, I downshifted. I didn't start, so I'm kind of confused about the whole ticket. So I'm definitely gonna fight it. Obviously, it's automatically dismissed because he doesn't have the correct information on there. I'm not driving a Camaro. This is a fucking Mustang. There's no doubt about that. Everybody knows what a Mustang looks like. How does this idiot not know what a Mustang looks like? I didn't even realize it till later. It's like completely the wrong plate number. Apparently this car is registered to somebody that I don't even know, because he put the wrong plate number on there, obviously. And the wrong car, completely wrong description. Of course it has my name on the ticket, but I didn't do nothing wrong. I literally was coming to a stop, the car downshifted, and 2 motorcycle cops pulled out, and well, no bueno. Anyhow, with that being said, I definitely enjoyed my night out, regardless of the ticket. We had a lot of fun, saw some interesting things. I didn't get everything that I'd like to get on footage. Obviously, I was driving. But I definitely had a lot of fun. I probably didn't vlog as much as I would have liked to, like I normally would. I'm just catching a lot of shenanigans on camera, and hopefully I got some good footage. With that being said, if you guys enjoyed the video, you guys know what to do. Drop that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on how the ticket is going to go. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Until next time, I'm checking out.